Welcome and greetings. Thank you for making time to watch this presentation. Today we will talk about energy conservation. What is energy conservation and how can we accelerate the process of saving energy, money, and our environment? Our presenter for this topic is Adil Khan. Adil Khan is currently the Regional Vice President of AEE. He is an electrical engineer with a master's in business administration and several certifications in technology applications. Adil is the president and CEO of TransPower Company, a R&D and technology manufacturing company. Adil is involved in next-generation technologies and is focused on the inventing, developing, manufacturing, launching, and commercializing game-changing high-efficiency patented technologies and solutions to commercial and industrial customers for the past 30 years. Before we get into the presentation, let us share the mission and vision of the Association of Energy Engineers. The mission of AEE is to shape the future of the energy industry through networking, energy awareness, education, training, professional certification, and recognition. The vision of AEE is leading the global energy community to meet the challenges of a clean and sustainable future. AEE is a non-profit organization dedicated to serving our members and other industry professionals who are working to improve energy efficiency to save energy, reduce GHG, make buildings perform better, and help reach global goals for net zero. AEE membership has many benefits. Each month we present free webinars from industry experts discussing key topics relevant to energy professionals. Webinars offer the opportunity to gain continuing educational credits for certification renewals. The AEE's annual fee is very reasonable. Anyone can join the AEE. First-time AEE members receive a 50% discount to join. If you sign up for the local chapter along with AEE membership, you will also receive the local chapter annual membership discount. Please contact one of the board members or directors if you have any questions or would like to sign up. The annual AEEs and the local chapter membership is a non-profit organization and is made affordable to all. Hello, greetings, and welcome. Today let's talk about energy conservation, a subject very close to Adil's heart, a practice that involves reducing energy usage while producing the same level of output. It's more than just flipping off the switch when you leave the room. It's about making comprehensive efforts to cut down on energy consumption. The keys to energy conservation are technology, efficient practices, and behavioral changes. By applying these measures, we can make the Earth a greener place to live. It's not just about the environment, though. It's also about reducing costs. At TransPower Company, we aim to innovate with next-generation technologies and solutions that promote energy conservation. Across the world, everyone from average person to major corporations are making the shift toward greener practices, a step in the right direction. As energy and sustainability managers, it is our responsibility to lead the charge in conserving energy and utilizing it in the most beneficial way possible. We have seen how proactive governments at all levels have provided funding and support for clean, energy-efficient projects. Conserving energy holds immense importance in the current global scenario due to several critical reasons stated in this slide. Lower energy bills also lead to improved efficiency of operations and reduced maintenance expenses. In essence, conserving energy isn't merely a choice, but a necessity for the well-being of the planet, ensuring a balanced and sustainable future for generations to come. In summary, let's remember that energy conservation benefits us all. Remember, every little bit helps in this journey towards a more sustainable future. Let's continue the conversation around energy conservation and let's take action because every watt saved truly matters. Let us now discuss using MPTS device, the 21st century solution for energy efficiency and conservation. MPTS device is an all-in-one device. All-in-one means that MPTS device is used for power monitoring, power management, energy efficiency, and conservation. All-in-one solution, the TransPower MPTS Power Management and Power Quality Improvement Dynamic Solution is not a parasitic load or a failure point. You may ask, what does all-in-one solution mean? It means that instead of having voltage stabilizers, surge protectors, harmonic filters, automatic power factor correction, AFCs, and power conditioning equipment to provide stable power, you can now use one device, called the Maximum Power Transfer Solutions, MPTS. MPTS corrects all the problems using one device and one technology, resulting in energy efficiency, decrease in operating costs, and making a significant impact on CO2 reductions. MPTS is a complete power management device. This slide illustrates the precise connection points for connecting the MPTS device. The building starts saving energy when the power to the MPTS is turned on. This slide illustrates the precise connection points for connecting multiple MPTS devices in an electrical network. When connecting multiple MPTS devices within an electrical network, one MPTS is positioned on the mains panel and connected, as shown in the diagram. This slide shows the photographs of MPTS installations. Hundreds of MPTS units are installed and performing for more than 15 years. The estimated life of the MPTS is more than 30 years. MPTS is not custom-designed device. These are standard devices that can be purchased and installed on any electrical network. Physical connections for installation on site are shown in this connection diagram. MPTS is an automatic self-programming device that starts working upon commissioning. When the power is turned on, the energy savings will begin. The metering provides real-time data of the energy savings. It gives you data, both with and without MPTS, in real time. Each MPTS device will save a significant amount of energy. The most popular unit will save 100 kilowatts in demand. The minimum kilowatt-hour savings per year will be 87,600 kWh. Return on investment is significant. Payback periods are short even before applying rebates and incentives.
This slide visually displays performance data comparing before and after the MPTS installation. The white area indicates transformer capacity. Before the MPTS installation, the white area on the graph is notably smaller compared to the increased white area after the MPTS installation. The green area in the graph shows the dirty power in the electrical network before and after MPTS is installed. All this performance data is meticulously documented and graphically represented for clear comparison. All this performance data is available on site or can be seen remotely in real time. Reports for building standards benchmarking or for measurement and verification can be printed for any period.
This illustration showcases the MPTS device functioning as a power management and microgrid controller, ensuring energy efficiency and fortifying resilient networks. Empirical data for MPTS performance is available from hundreds of installations. The MPTS power management device has attributes that deliver advantages to every stakeholder involved. It provides a power management platform and controls to create energy efficiency in electrical networks. It decreases current in the electrical network. It improves the power factor to greater than 95%, resulting in decrease in demand. The chart shows the yellow line, a significant demand reduction in the utility bill compared to the earlier years when there was no MPTS power management and control device installed in the electrical network. The MPTS device has attributes and benefits that deliver advantages to every stakeholder involved. The MPTS device has attributes and benefits that deliver advantages to every stakeholder involved. The benefits to the end user customer comes from several features of the MPTS device. Power monitoring with remote capability. Power analysis. Power quality improvement. Power stabilization. Surge protection and avoid brownouts. Harmonics, THD mitigation. Power factor improvement. Energy efficiency and conservation. Reduces the load on utility transformer. In other words, capacity release. You can add more equipment without asking for new transformers. Carbon emissions reductions, significant climate change impact. Even though the payback period for the MPTS device is less than 3 years with energy savings, the cumulative payback from all these listed benefits is less than 1 year. This device, as stated earlier, is an all-in-one device for energy efficiency and conservation. Please contact your distributor or a Trans Power Company representative for more information. Thank you for listening to this presentation. Have a wonderful day.